So children, let's have some fun today learning to form the letter A using Play-Doh. Let's roll the Play-Doh into a worm. Now after rolling it into a fine worm, make it like a standing line. Okay. And then let's make a small tail. Alright? Once you make a small tail, a small curvy tail, let's dot the eye. You can choose the same color or any other color Play-Doh, roll it into a small ball and dot your eye. Isn't that fun, children? So now it's your turn.